What's up, amigos? Welcome to another unboxing here in Ink GoldUp. Today I'm going to be unboxing my new Squeeges that just arrived today, so stay tuned. There you guys, right? Okay, before we go to the table so I can unbox this, I want to give another thanks again to Joe from Instagram who sent me cash a few days ago. With that, I was able to buy the Emotion, and I bought these Squeegees. And I bought this off Amazon. I ordered them on Sunday, and that actually came up today, which is Thursday, which was pretty fast. I was expecting it to come on Monday, but luckily they came today. So let's go to the table and unbox this. Alright, so here's the box. Tell it's already open from customs, I guess, when it arrived. It's really light. Well, it is two Squeegees, so it shouldn't weigh that much. And again, I got some that were, I think, 9.4 inches, and the other one, I can't remember exactly the length of it. They should have just thrown in some Frito-Lays in here. Alright. Alright, so here they are. Wow, these are really light. So here's one, here's the other one. They look pretty okay. I think, how much was this again? I forgot. They were $12.99. $12.99 for two Squeegees. What is it? 9.4 inches and 5.9 inches. And suppose it's a 75 durometer. It's pretty good. But it's real light, man. They're a lot lighter than these ones. These are the ones that sell here locally, but it has aluminum with it. But this one, I don't know what how do you say it? Durometer this is, but this is real hard. And this one, supposedly it says it's 75. They're softer. Or shampoo is pretty good. But the only problem I don't like is that there's staple in here. I don't know if that's good or not. For me, it looks bad because imagine one day I want to change the Squeegee. I have to remove those staples. So yeah, so. But anyways, I think I'm going to give this a try just to see how they work. I'm curious. Okay, amigos. We're going to test it out. The Squeegee on my screen I already have that I haven't reclaimed yet. I just taped it up. So I'm going to give it a try with this. Now I need a shirt. Okay, you know what I realized? I forgot to clean up the ink that's in here. Yeah, this screen's don't work good. This screen actually is ripped. My kids were playing with it. They made a small line, and then when I was reclaiming, I made it worse, and right now I saw it's not in good shape though. I'm going to use this for something else. This ain't gonna work no more. Look at that. Yeah. Screen's looking good, man. Alright, so I'm going to test it with another screen because the screen is not really that good. Almost dropped it. So I'm going to try it with another screen. I'm going to change the squeegee and try it with another screen. As I was cleaning my little squeegee, it fell on the screen. So look at my new squeegee. So let's try with this screen since it's more clean, since I didn't actually print it with this one. I'm pretty sure I didn't mix that well, but I need a dark shirt. Alright, let's test this out. Okay. Again, these are real light.
Perfect.
Yeah, this how I say I forgot. The blade is good. You saw how that clean coat? Usually when I use these ones, it doesn't get it even like this, so these came out perfect, the ones I buy here locally. Yeah, even though it's not that dark, but again, this is a high mesh, so that's why it's not that dark. And I don't have my flash dryer, so I can give it another coat. Man, I'm liking this. Alright, amigos, so I'm done testing my new Squeegees, and after doing a few prints, I really like them. I'm pretty sure it's because of the durometer, because like I mentioned earlier, the ones that sell here locally at my supply store is this one, and I'm not really sure what it is, but it's real hard. And when I coat screens with these, the ink doesn't really spread out evenly. And with the ones that I tested with the new ones, as you saw in the video, it came out real clean. So now I know what kind of durometer to use. But the other bad thing is, I wish they were selling here locally, but again, they don't. And I'm going to see if I can find some on Amazon that are larger size or different lengths, because I only found those ones that are, 9.4, and the ones that, I forgot how many inches, but yeah, they're all the small ones. And I'm going to need bigger ones because I am trying to do like CMYK prints, or I'm going to try to do like larger prints. And I need bigger squeegees. And I'm going to try to look where to buy those with that durometer. And the only place I could find them where I could actually have them delivered to my door is one Amazon or eBay. And the ones from eBay, well, they come all the way from China, and it takes a lot longer to arrive. For these ones, it only took a few days, and that's because they came from the US. And I'm gonna have to wait later on to see how they hold up, because again, they're real light, and even the wood, it feels real light compared to the ones I have. So I don't know, maybe late in the long run, maybe they'll how do you say, like maybe in the long run I'll probably start falling apart, but I don't know, I have to wait. But maybe if one day when I go to Mexico City, I'll probably look for squeegees with that durometer or with the lower one. Or if the guy, the buddy of the guy who sold me the press, wherever he goes, I'm going to tell him if he can buy me some. I'm not really sure how much they cost there, because the ones I bought, these ones that I write from Amazon, they cost about the same ones as the ones over here. That's why I just had to give it a try to see how they compare, and I was happy with the results. And well, I believe that's all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed my little unboxing of my new materials that arrived today, that I now have for my shop. And again, I have to give big thanks to Joe from Instagram. He's the one that made this possible for me. I really appreciate the help, and everybody else also has been helping me out. I really appreciate your guys' help, because it's helping me a lot. As you can see, my shop is kind of improving. For those who've been following me from the beginning, you saw how I started in my little dungeon here. It was basically dark in here, man. But little by little, I'm improving the shop, and I like how you guys are able to go with me on this journey as I build up my shop from the bottom to the top. But yeah, so keep watching my videos so you can see each step that I go to build up my shop. And if you're new, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And also, if you haven't, follow my Instagram and like my Facebook page. If you have any questions or you want to get in contact with me, you can send me through a message during the platforms or leave a comment in the bottom below. But in the meantime, amigos, I'll see you guys next time.